One of the most important parts of your video workflow is to get those videos to your Cloudinary media library. For this purpose, you can use the Node SDK to create a simple script to upload your video assets using the Uploader API. To do that, you need to install the Cloudinary Node module, import it, and configure it with your API key, secret, and cloud name. Let's say you have a video stored in a folder. Let's create a variable to hold the path of that video. Now, let's create an asynchronous function to perform the upload operation. You'll be using the Cloudinary Uploader API to upload your video assets. Run the Cloudinary.uploader.upload method, which accepts as the first argument the video file path. Since this is an asynchronous operation, you can use the await keyword to get the result. Let's print the result and show the secure URL. Now that the code is ready, you can jump to the terminal and run the script. You should see a success message with the secure URL of the video. Copy and paste the URL into your browser and you should be able to watch the video. Be aware that the upload method only supports files up to 100 megabytes. For larger videos, you'll need to use the upload large method, which uploads larger files to the cloud in chunks. This method has the same signature and option as the upload method, but it doesn't return a promise, so you need to use the callback syntax. However, you can still use the async await syntax by wrapping the call to upload large with a promise. To do this, you need to write a new promise to wrap the call. If the callback returns an error, it will reject the promise, otherwise it will resolve it. This promise can be awaited. You can now run the script again to upload the bigger file. It'll take longer to upload since the file is bigger, but after it's done, you'll get the same result. Check the URL in the browser and you should be able to watch the video file uploaded. You can learn more about how to upload assets with the Cloudinary Node SDK by checking out the documentation, where you'll find more examples and the full description of the Upload API. In review, to upload video assets to your Cloudinary account using the Node SDK, you can pass the video file path to the uploader function, which gives you a simple way to get your files into your Cloudinary media library. If the file you want to upload is bigger than 100 megabytes, you can use the upload large method, which works using a callback method that you can wrap with a promise.